Right, just so you can see how dirty this engine is. Hasn't been cleaned for over 2 years easily. Now I put some bags on the alternator. I'm gonna put one on the this controls the air to the turbo, opening and closing. I'm gonna put one of those on there as well. I forgot the name of all of these. Excuse me. The battery is already covered, so not really any need to cover that up, but might cover just some wires over there that control some air and so on and so forth, some other things, but definitely going to cover that up. Doing a double check my brake fluid level, which is good. My thingy is level is down. My engine coolant level is down. Might top up the thingy as well, but that's about it. It's a very, as you can see, look how dirty that is. I mean, very dirty. Let's go on to it. No, that's a minor. See, this thing right here is baked on. It's exhaust fumes from right there, some type of leak, and it is baked on onto there. So it's going to take a lot more elbow grease to take it off. So is this stuff here. Now in terms of this bit here, it's actually gone onto the clear coat. I'm pretty sure the clear coat on this is not even that thick, as it was repainted and you can see rust, corrosion, what have you. But basically all along here, that is all baked on. I'm going to get this out with Meguiar's degreaser, but other than that, in my opinion, that's the top job. Tools of the trade. Hyper dressing 1 to 4, brush and brush. This was just used to wipe it down, but there it is. That's basically it. Done and done. Meguiar's diluted 10-to-1, Meguiar's degreaser, and I also use Meguiar's APC diluted Diluted also 10 to 1. I use hyper dressing diluted about 5 to 1, and use those two small brushes right there and a rag just to wipe it off for initial. I mean, not too bad. Nice.